Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Rode Wireless Pro microphones. These particular microphones are compact wireless microphones that can sit on your shirt and can work while you're on the go. They're very helpful and they should be a great product, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so this particular set of Rode microphones comes with two microphones themselves and then the actual receiver. So it all works wirelessly. You can clip it onto your shirt via magnets or other means, I'm pretty sure, and then you can just set them up and it should all be fairly easy. So we'll look around the box and then we'll get into the unboxing process. So on the front you can see it says Rode Wireless Pro Compact Wireless Microphone System. It says down here works with Rode Series 4 Wireless, 32-bit float recording and time code sync. And on the left-hand side, it just says Wireless Pro. On the back, there's just some regulatory information as well as the contents with two transmitters and one receiver. On the right-hand side, you've got two lavalier mics included, it says, and it also works with cameras and smartphones. On the top, there's nothing, and then on the bottom, we've just got some other regulatory information, and it says made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod, as well as for USB-C devices. It also says it's designed and made in Australia, which is nice. So we'll get into the unboxing process here. Open up the bottom here, and then we can pull them out. Put that other box to the side for now. Now I should be able to open this up, and then you can see we've got the contents of the package. So we've got the two microphone kits here. I'll put those to the side. We'll have a closer look in a moment. We've also got some regulatory and safety guides, which you can have a look at, as well as a document as the Rode logo, Wireless Pro Quick Start Guide. So we've got all those details there. We've also then got a USB-C to C cable with 5 gigabits per second and 60 watts. So that's good for charging them. And then that's pretty much all that you get in the box. So we'll put that to the side and then we'll have a look inside of these smaller compartments and see what we get. So I think this is the accessories one first. We open it up. You can see in here we've got a USB-C to lightning cable. We've also got a USB-C to C cable. And then we've got an auxiliary cable with the headphone jack adapters. Here we've also got two magnets, so this allows you to clip them onto your shirt, I'm pretty sure, via magnets. You can see they're quite strong there. They're trying to clip to each other. And then if we open that up, we've also got, what's this? This might be like a polishing cloth. Yep. A little polishing cloth for the microphones themselves with the Rode logo on there, which is quite nice. And then we've also got in here, if I can open it up, we've also got the lavalier mics here, I believe, and they just plug in very simply with the audio jacks. And then we've got here, it says lavalier 2, a little safety guide there for it, fairly straightforward. And then continue opening it up. We've then got some other little accessories in there if you need them. And then some of the little socks or coverings for the microphone just to help prevent those really loud popping noises that you can sometimes get and just to remove some of the harsh noises that you can get, I'm pretty sure. So definitely not super knowledgeable in the sound area, but I do know the basics and that's sort of how some of those accessories work. Now let's have a look at the Wireless Pro. So this is the set of the actual microphones themselves. So we'll open them up here. And you can see that we've got the 3 Wireless Pros on top. So I believe these are the transmitters, these two ones here. Yep, there we go. So we've got the 2 transmitters, which we can pull out. And then we've also got the receiver. So we'll have a look at each of these individually. So we can peel off the coverings on these microphones, and we'll take them off. You can see they're all booting up because they've detected that they've been removed from the case. And then there we go. So you can see that they're connecting and they're actually detecting sound straight away. So it's all ready to go, very much seamless integration. So if I start talking closely into one of these ones, you can see that it starts detecting it. I believe that must be mic 2, because if I grab mic 1, you can see then it changes it as I start speaking into it. So they're all ready to go. You can see they do probably need a bit of a charge, but that's the idea of this charging case. You can put transmitter 1, transmitter 2, and also the receiver in here, and they'll charge via USB-C with the Wireless Pro branding, and then you can plug in USB-C into the back. There's also a button on there, which might be for reset or connecting, I'm not quite sure. But then you can charge all of them seamlessly at once, which is really helpful. Now, if we grab some of those socks that we had before, we can insert those onto the actual microphone itself. So you can see here that you actually have 2 different styles. You've got one probably for the lavaliers, and then we've also got one for the microphone. So the circular one is for these ones here. So we can get it on there. Oh. You can see that you have to twist it on, and there's some little grooves you have to line up. So I'll just get that twisted on, and there you go. You can see that that's how it fits onto there. And then if we grab out the lavalier, you can see that that will just go into there like so, with the little more rectangular connection. And then you can use the lavalier like that. So really simple process on how these are used. I have just noticed that this orange light has started coming on, which I presume means it might be low on charge. I'm not 100% sure on that, but that might be what that means. So they are still running, as you can see on the receiver, but they might be starting to run low on charge. And with that, that's pretty much the unboxing process of the Rode Wireless Pro microphone kit. Once you're done with them, obviously you can just clip them back into the charging case like so with the USB-C ports. You'll need to make sure that you remove the sock or the little covering. I'm not quite sure what the technical term for that is in sound, but take that off, plug them all back in. You can see that they all switch off because they're connected into the case. You can zip that up and then plug in USB-C into the back to charge them all up. And with that, that's pretty much the entire unboxing process of the Rode Wireless Pro compact wireless microphone system. Definitely let me know down in the comments below if you'd like me to make a more in-depth review of these microphones after I've used them for a little bit, maybe a sound quality test and some other user experience and general notes, because I'm more than happy to make that if you'd like to see that. And definitely let me know down below as well if you've got a set of these Rode Wireless Pro microphones and how they've been for you, whether you're happy with the microphone quality and whether you'd recommend them to others as well, because I'd love to hear from you down in the comments below. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Hopefully this was helpful and it's given you a good idea of the overall unboxing experience of these microphones and whether you might like to pick up a set for yourself. And I'll definitely leave a link down below if you'd like to pick those up. I believe they're around the 750 Australian dollar mark, give or take a little bit. So they seem to offer a good value for money from what I'm seeing with these microphones. And with that, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.